Snacks time confusion, time constraint, craving for chaat. Hello everyone, welcome back to my show Tadka Kids. I'm your chef Harshvardhan. Today let's make Bhel Puri. A simple snack, layered by textures and a perfect blend of many flavors. We have to make green chutney. For that, we will use salt, ginger, mint, coriander and green chili. Here is the green chutney. Here's the sweet sauce with jaggery and tangled. Take a bowl and add green chutney in it. Add the red chutney. Now let's add the onions and roast the tomatoes. Let's add red chili powder and little chaat masala. Let's add a fried peas. Let's add the mixture with groundnut. Now let's add the puffed rice. Let's add the some coriander. Let's have a little shape for garnish. The Bhel Puri is ready. Now let's plate it. Get the rubber band. Let's taste it now. Try out my recipe and share your comments below.